Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a group on WhatsApp. Sometimes, groups serve their purpose and are no longer needed. Deleting a group helps keep your chat list tidy and organized. It's important to remember that only a group administrator can delete a group for everyone. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. Let's get started and learn how to manage your WhatsApp groups effectively. Before you can permanently delete a WhatsApp group, there's a crucial first step: removing all the participants. As the group administrator, you have the power to do this. Simply tap on the group name, scroll down to the list of members, and for each person, tap their name and select Remove from Group. Once every single member has been removed, you can then proceed to exit the group yourself. This prepares the group for its final deletion. Now that you've removed all the members and exited the group yourself, the option to permanently delete the group will appear. This is the final step. Simply tap and hold the group chat in your main chat list or go into the group info, and you'll see the Delete Group option. Confirm your choice, and the group, along with its entire chat history, will be permanently removed for everyone. This action is irreversible, so be absolutely sure before you proceed. To recap, deleting a WhatsApp group is a straightforward process, but it requires you to be the group administrator and to remove all members before you can exit and then delete. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so always double-check before confirming. It's also a good practice to inform your group members beforehand if you plan to delete a group. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your WhatsApp groups with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.